Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsi here, and today I basically went to the garage and I fitted a straight pipe, aka my custom exhaust. Now it is a 2.75 inch exhaust, so it's pretty fucking loud, right? And yeah, so the original plan was to fit the Miltech box on it. Yeah, I sold the Miltech back box and the tips, so I literally just went for a straight pipe. Now that costed me around 300 quid, and for what it is, yeah, it's worth it. Like let me just start up and give you a couple revs. So that was a cheeky clip of how the exhaust sounds, and it's seriously missing a crackle map or pop and bang map. Absolutely crazy. I'm going to show some clips of what it looks like underneath the car in the next slide or whatever it is. To me, I'm excited, I'm gassed. It sounds nuts. When you drive by and you're at 3k RPMs and there's that deep tone, everybody is staring at you, fam. They're like, what is that? It's crazy, bro. Got an exhaust. I'm officially, no, not officially, I gotta get pop and bangs first before I can be, you know, an Essex Fiesta boy. Oh my days. Yeah, it is what it is. But I'm going to show you a picture of what I was originally going to go for. Not a picture, but here's some videos of what I was originally going to go for. That's the back box. Tips don't really fit, to be honest. I'm probably going to ask the guy to weld, I don't know, put like a tack here and a tack there. But it's just like that little bit there is touching. I'm not going to hammer it out because, you know, I don't really want to do that. So, yeah, it sort of looks like that. Hopefully it will fit my diffuser. If it doesn't, I don't know, man. Yeah, one little cheeky dent there. It's lovely. Sweet. So that's what the exhaust looks like. Absolutely crazy. 300 quid, and I got it done at Long Life Performance down in Stafford Road near Croydon. Sick guy. His welding is A1. In my opinion, obviously people will, you know, disagree, whatever. But yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys next week. It's been your boy Shams just signing out. So peace. So ignore my hair. I took my hair out just now. I'm gonna go wash it and then it's gonna be down here. Okay, cool. Straight pipe. I put the straight pipe on the car for about 3-4 weeks ago. I love it. My neighbors hate it. The police hate it. So just to save my family from, you know, arguing and all of that with neighbors and that, I'm gonna put the standard exhaust system back on, gain a bit more MPG, and in the future I will slap a Miltech back box back on the car. Not back box, but a Miltech catback system on the car in the future. So that's the plan. It's nice. So the straight pipe will be up for sale. If you want it, hold me on Instagram or DM me on Twitter or on Facebook, or even drop a comment below. And yeah, man. Anyway, it's been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace.